Hey everybody, John Woolworth here. In northeast Kyrgyzstan is a place where nomads still live off the land as they have for hundreds, if not thousands of years. One of these places is Kol Ukok, a mountain pass in the Tian Shan Mountains. I recently had the chance to visit this place with my daughter, and it was one of the most memorable places I've ever been. We traveled up from Kyrgyzstan in the valley by car. Then when the passable road ended, we went further up on horseback. That night we stayed in a yurt and ate the traditional foods eaten by the Kyrgyz. The hospitality we experienced was wonderful. They treated us like one of their own. The Kyrgyz nomads move their livestock up from the valley in the spring to take advantage of the fresh grass. They raise sheep and goats and travel mostly by horse, though I saw a couple of cars in the pass. I literally have no idea how they got them up there because the horses even had problems in certain places. The lake itself is a gorgeous, cold lake fed by snow runoff from the surrounding mountains, which rise to an elevation of 18,000 feet. The lake itself is at an elevation of 10,000 feet. Edelweiss and other wildflowers grow along the shores of the lake. I was able to take my drone along with me and get some stunning footage of the area as well, getting some views I would have missed otherwise. The mountain weather can be unpredictable, so pack for rain and even hail, even if it doesn't look like it when you leave. It was a truly amazing experience being up here and seeing a disappearing way of life. If you ever get the chance to go to Kyrgyzstan, this is a top thing on my list to do. I'm just going to continue with some scenes from what we saw for the rest of this video, and as usual, please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you'd like to see more about the horse trekking part of this trip, I have a video about that as well. Just click on the link at the end.